Hello everyone, this is Khatiba Sultan, Head of the Department MBA, Bansal Institute of Science and Technology. Today my topic is Basics of Accounting. In Basics of Accounting, we are about to talk why should we study accounting. We should study accounting because the accounting which is made by the accountants is for the use of not only them but there are several other users too, and we have categorized the users in two categories. First category is internal users, other is external users. Internal users means those persons who are a part of the company but they are not from the accounting department. So, for internal users, I have given a code that is MEOW, where M relates to management. मैनेजमेंट कौन है? मैनेजमेंट वो पर्सन्स हैं जो ओवरऑल वर्किंग ऑफ द कंपनी देखती हैं। यानी कि अगर कंपनी को 1 करोड़ ऑफ प्रॉफिट हुआ है तो 1 करोड़ ऑफ प्रॉफिट रिलेट्स टू मुंबई ब्रांच, दिल्ली ब्रांच एंड भोपाल ब्रांच. Which branch is considering how much profit is the responsibility of the management to view. So, for this purpose, the accountants have to prepare their accounts in a way which is understandable to the management as well. So, there are certain standard formulas, standard formats which the accountants have to follow so that it is understandable to the management to compare and contrast between different departments and branches. The second one which we have used here is employees. Employees are the persons who used to work in an organization. So, the employees are very much interested to know about the accounts of a particular company. Why they are interested? Because the salary which they are getting is fixed plus variable. It means fixed part they will be getting anyhow, but the variable part is solely dependent on the profit of the company, and for this they have to go through the accounts which an accountant has made. So, the accountant has to prepare the accounts in the way which is understandable to the employees as well. So, this is the very reason why we should study accounting. Then there are owners. Have you heard about Mukesh Ambani? आपको लगता है क्या मुकेश अंबानी अपने अकाउंट्स खुद बनाते होंगे या वो खुद मैनेज करते होंगे? Exactly no. It means there are certain set of different people, that is accounting department, who will be managing the accounts for the owners, and the owners are only interested about the profit or loss in the whole year. That means it is very much important for an accountant to follow the same procedure which is followed nationally and internationally, so that it can be understandable to both the internal parties as well as to the external parties. Coming to the external parties, we are talking about, we have given a code that is CBI, Government Rate Priyanka Chopra. Have you ever heard about this? This is an event which passed away few days back. So, I have given this code where C stands for creditors. Creditors are the persons who used to give raw material to the company in credit. So, क्या ज़रूरी नहीं है कि क्रेडिटर्स को भी ये पता हो कि आपकी कंपनी इस पोजीशन में है या नहीं कि वो आप अपना लोन जो आप उससे ले रहे हैं या क्रेडिट में जो आपने उससे परचेज़ किया है क्या आप उसे रीपे कर पाएंगे? ये ज़रूरी है कि क्रेडिटर्स भी इस बात को जानें. इसके लिए ये ज़रूरी है कि अकाउंटेंट अपने अकाउंट्स इस हिसाब से बनाएं कि वो क्रेडिटर्स भी उसे बहुत अच्छी तरह समझ पाएँ. दूसरा पार्टी जो एक्सटर्नल पार्टी है दैट इज़ बैंक्स. जब भी हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को फंड्स की ज़रूरत होगी तो द वन प्लेस विच वी विल गो इज़ द बैंक. सबसे पहले हम बैंक की तरफ ही जाते हैं जब हमें पैसे की ज़रूरत होती है. तो बैंक भी हमें लोन क्यों देगा? जब हमारे पास हमारे अकाउंट्स इस तरह से प्रिपेयर्ड होंगे कि बैंक्स विल गेट सेटिस्फाइड आफ्टर सीइंग इनटू आवर अकाउंट्स दैट यस वी आर इन द पोजीशन टू रीपे द लोन विच दे आर गिविंग टू अस. Then comes investors. Investors are the persons who may be interested to become the owners of the organization or they want to give the loans to the organization. It means they want to know about the profit making capacity of the organization in future, then only they will be investing in our business, otherwise not. So it is very important for an accountant to prepare the accounts in a way which is understandable to the investors also. Then comes the government. Government is an organization which is known to everyone, I think. So government, the main source of government is the main source of income of the government is taxes, and the taxes are further divided into two, that is direct taxes and indirect taxes. The government will get the taxes from the companies who are getting profits. So how can the government know about how many corporations are making profit? This is only possible for the government to know with the help of accounts which is prepared by the accountants. अब यहाँ पर बात ये आती है कि accountants अगर अपने ही तरीके से अपने accounts बनाते होंगे तो ये हो सकता है कि वो अपने accounts में profit कम शो करें, और जब वो profit कम शो करेंगे तो government को taxes भी कम मिलेंगे, जिससे welfare activities भी affect हो सकती हैं. तो this is very important for an accountant to be well versed with the standards, with the rules, with the regulations, principles, postulates with which they have to follow during preparation of accounts. Then comes researchers. Researchers are the persons who used to do research work. What they want to have is the statistics from different organizations. They will use the statistics in a way so that the researchers can be fruitful, they will be result giving. Then comes public. Public means general public. General public is investing in your company and they are solely very interested in knowing whether the funds which they have invested in your company is going in the right hands or not. It means whether our company is providing employment opportunities to the employees or to the general public or not. This is very important for the public to know, and this is possible with the help of accounting data. Then comes customers. Customers are also very much interested to know about the accounts prepared by an accountant. Why so? Because the customers are the persons from which the company is making profit, and the customers are highly interested to know whether the company is producing supernormal profit or normal profits out of their customers. So I think this is very clear that we should study accounting because it is not only used by the accountant who is preparing the accounts, but also used by internal as well as external parties. And for this very reason, the accountant should prepare it in a standard format which is known nationally and internationally. Coming to the next slide. Now, what does accounting include? Accounting includes recording. First thing which we used to do in accounting is record. Why we have to record the transactions? Because there are n number of transactions going on all through the year and we cannot memorize all the transactions at a time. If in future somebody asks about a certain transaction on a certain date at a particular time, we cannot memorize it, but we can get it if we have recorded it for future reference. Then comes classification. Classification means what? Organizing the data in a systematic manner so that meaningful information can be got at the time when it is needed. Like आपकी कंपनी में कोई राम नाम का पर्सन है, वो आता है और he says कि मुझे 5 लाख रुपए चाहिए, और क्या हम सारे ट्रांजैक्शंस जो साल भर में हमने रिकॉर्ड किए होंगे उनको देखेंगे और उसके बाद हम राम से कहेंगे कि येस यू आर द पर्सन हु विल गेट 5 लाख रुपीज़ फ्रॉम द कंपनी, या हम 2 दिन तक हम उस राम को बैठाएंगे अपनी कंपनी में कि हाँ हम रिकॉर्ड्स चेक कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद हम आपको बताएंगे कि 5 लाख रुपए आपको मिलते भी हैं या नहीं? नो, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. अदरवाइज राम विल नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन आवर कंपनी एनी फर्दर. अगर हम ऐसा करेंगे तो हमें क्या करना है? हमें करना है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ आवर डेटा, दैट इज क्लासिफिकेशन इनटू डिफरेंट अकाउंट्स. दैट इज राम इज हैविंग अ पर्टिकुलर अकाउंट, एवरी एंट्री विच इज रिलेटेड टू राम इज रिकॉर्डेड इन द राम्स अकाउंट. इसी तरह से अगर आपसे कोई आके पूछता है कि हाउ मच इज द अमाउंट विच यू हैव स्पेंट ऑन द सैलरी, how much is the amount which you have spent on wages all the year round? Yeah, how much is your electricity bill during this year? So how can you answer? You can answer only if you have classified all the accounts in different heads. This is very, very important. Then comes summary part. Summary is very, very important. Summary is important because the owners of the company wants to know at the end of the day how much is the profit earned by them or how much is the loss. Okay? For this very reason, the accountants have to prepare a summarized format which is understandable to the owners of the company. Owners are only interested to know at the end of the day the profit or loss. So, about these parts, this is a history part. This is a history part means this all have been done before and we are now recording it. We are now making journal entries, we are now making ledger accounts, we are now making trading and profit and loss account. These all are history part. It means ये profit या ये loss तो हमारे owner को मिल चुका है. Now what we have to do is to focus on future. How we can do better in future is very, very important for an organization to do. So that means there is interpretation and analysis. Interpretation and analysis is very much important for future to do very well. For example, if there are 3 branches, that is Mumbai branch, there is Delhi branch and there is Bhopal branch, and the 3 branches are getting profit of 1 crore, 2 crores and 3 crores. So we can see the Bhopal branch is doing very good, whereas Mumbai branch is not doing that good. So what we have to do? The owners have to decide now what is the reason for Bhopal branch doing this good. That means there must be some person, namely Mr. X, who is doing very good in Bhopal branch. So आप management क्या करे? He will decide that whether आप Mr. X को मुंबई ब्रांच भी देखने के लिए बोल दें ताकि मुंबई ब्रांच भी अच्छा करने लगे, या फिर Mr. X जैसा ही कोई बंदा मुंबई ब्रांच में भी हम अपॉइंट करें ताकि मुंबई ब्रांच भी बहुत अच्छा कर सके. So this is all about how to do better in future with the help of accountancy. So coming to the conclusion part, accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner, and in terms of money, transactions and events which are of a financial character, and then interpretation for future is very, very important. So that's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.